here is my fun badge reel that I'm going to be using for this season in excitement for Hocus Pocus 2 coming out. I'm really nervous. I hope that it really does homage to the first one. You know, sometimes when they make sequels, they're great, but many times it sort of leaves you feeling a little less than. However, I was really happy with Top Gun. It kind of felt like, you know, for me being a Gen X and it, you know, coming out during my high school years, it sort of felt like it picked up where it left off and it gave me closure for the movie. I'm hoping that Hocus Pocus kind of does the same thing. So, but here is my badge reel, and stay tuned and we will make it. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Happy Monday, friends, and keep watching. All right, you guys ready? I am going to make the best badge reel for myself. All right, if this is your first time visiting, welcome, friends. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend. And today, in honor of Hocus Pocus 2, I'm going to make a Sanderson Sisters badge. So look how pretty this is. I got this on Etsy. I did pick this up a couple months ago, but I'm sure you could probably find them, and especially with the new movie coming out, I'm sure they're probably being made a lot. And if you do polymer clay and make you know, little dolls and stuff from polymer clay, then this is how it looks. But it's so cute. So I got this on Etsy, like $4 and some change. And if you sell badge reels, like right now, this would be one that I'm sure you can like sell a lot of. And even though this piece is a little bit expensive, it's going to be so quick and easy to make. And then you could sell it for a lot more than what this piece costs. So, I mean, this is how easy this is going to be. I don't have to do anything to this really, but add my badge reel. Put it on there. Make sure I have it where I want it. Now I'm going to put it under my UV light. I'm going to hold it in place initially. Now I'm going to leave it under there for 4 minutes and we'll come back. Now, with this, because this is a heavier piece, you know, I definitely had to put a little bit more UV resin on there to keep it on. So just be really careful. Like if it, you know, drips down to the bottom, then, you know, you might then hold this out because you don't want this to accidentally get stuck. You know what I mean? But look at that, super cute. And then because this is so intricate, I'm not going to put like a bunch of beads or anything like that. So all I'm going to do is fill in my buttons. And I've got some glitter mixed up that I had already for something else, but the color is actually really good for this, so I'm going to use it. Put that in there, and then I'll let that sit 4 minutes, and then I'll turn it over and do the other side, and it'll be done. Simple as that. And look how cute this turned out. So this is my Hocus Pocus badge reel, and I just put the glitter in each of the buttons, and I can't wait till Hocus Pocus 2 comes out, and this is so cute. So I would, if you're looking for these, I don't even remember who the seller was, to be honest. I buy so many little like polymer clay dolls because I buy like all my little nurse figures and stuff on there. But I would just go in and put in polymer clay, Hocus Pocus, polymer clay, Sanderson sisters, and I'm sure it'll come up. So anyways, super cute, and I'm totally digging it. And you saw how fast that was. Now I have one of the nurses where I work, she sells badge reels, and something like not even as intricate as this, even though it only took me a few minutes, she sells these things for $25 and people buy them all the time. So I feel like you could probably easily sell this for, 20, 25 bucks and, make a pretty good profit on it. So, or just make it, to have for yourself. And super cute. I love it. I think it's, great Halloween badge reel, and I'll probably keep it around for, Halloween for quite some time. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.